yeguso ayetoa apomode enkomo no so na me wo Dr. Uso ansa ewa ha ofri Healthy Soul Alternative Medical Center o Kanishi ene dog babedi nkomo afa hepatitis B viral infection ho kwan ye befa so a ye be manage na ebi ni so a obetry se wunya bi ebi wo so a kwan ye befa so na watumi abo ho ban wadi nkwa. Amen. Dog ya mo akwaba.
Afishapa.
Ya mo afik sesani nyina yeti ase. Na nkwane ahoden ewo ho. Ya da ase pa sa afi oni ahyase. Ya menka ho no wadwuma so. Ya ka hepatitis a eno eye condition ben ya.
Beda sister fia. Me fa afishapa kese emma Adom FM. Ahwefo nyina eye afi ahyase enim se nyame ene bedini yi
oni edini yi krada da
ye mo bibia afishiapa. Yes, we can hepatitis B one of the viral infections and I say brebomu or hawa and I say virus are echo breboom. There were different types of hepatitis. But we B in the or breboom na etna.
Okay.
So what I say. Na the entire etna breboom say cells ni nyina na say ye nipadua ni nyina it's made up of cells. Na sa hepatitis we na eba wo cells no ma ye brebo no cells no na eno ekomu. Na one na atena onkwa na nyina. The entire ene na wotena onkwa na nyina ne say sa ye nipadua na say minu ne ye beti ase say ye wo abosuo ewe nipadua mu a ye frɛ no DNAs. So what I say. So in DNA and I say in cells no ewo abosuo. So you will DNA and then RNA. With the hepatitis B yewa eko with DNA strands ni mu. Na ebo remu a wakɔ baby a ye frɛ no the nucleus of the cells. You can say the nucleus the powerhouse to say bia obi ewura Adom TV ha say. So betimi akampa yi a chise okomo system nim the control room ho. Oko control room ho ansa na obetimi asay neoma. Nti sana hepatitis B no so etie. Eba o cells nim a enam say obowura o liver cells nim nti no. Obowura mo na wakɔ the nucleus nim. Na wakoye ne ho say ono nso oye cells ni bi. So oye ne ho say oye cells ni bi. Na afi wa replicate ne ho anase wobubu ne ho bebre. Na afi or they infect the whole system. And now our immune system no baffum. Enti ema hepatitis B management den pa because ono no camouflage ne ho to say ono so yen DNA ni bi anase yen cells ni bi. So therefore immune system no is not able to target it na obese no. Enti de bia no na ohye ho na owewe onipadua owewe obrebo cells na owewe skin cells obehwana afi wa break you down cry.
Wow. Kwambe no faso ba.
Right. So with the viral hepatitis B, and I'm say DNA infections intino or ye nipa ye nsuo bi a ewo ye nipadua mu to say emoja. To say bia obi coordinated blood na ya hwehwemu yi na ye de ama enipa no. So nipa na coordinated blood no emwa ne bi won emoja emu a ono so betimi de ama de ye de moja na ema no. Afi ye ho nsuo oba ho nsuo bema ho nsuo to say ye semen and so sa virus omo ewo mu be fa bi vertical infection say bia maame enyim na owo no ono so etimi de ma babies no afi ye sweat o kan sweat na man kofo bebre abohu because yet na trotro mu na se nipa dodo mu ye de ye ho etwitwi no. And no infection is very rare, and as a ketwe bi because we need skin abrasions and no ya enter mouse.
So hunchichi
and no
obi fifire bi ntime so hu titi ekuro bi de da ho dia
na obi nso a obi no fifire no eba ho a na chese
ya da se person wa kire mu sa kwan no so because no ya dey atrotro mu de ya betena
ya ho be kekan ho obi o ha wotena to na do kana opepa na sometimes ya hardware. It's yema ye share sa bia hono enso right
bem so ka say mu no che say ye wa ahodo
enye
bi no nko
enye bi no nko
yes so once no so ye de hin no ye ne hunye hu say bi no
yes ne hunye hu because medical ka say ye ni pedua na ye DNA and then RNA so with the other viral infection to say A and the C hepatitis C and then the E omotena the outer part of the cell
what
yes
DNA inside
exactly.
RNA no
right which is the cytoplasms until no they come utie ya immune system be stronger a drone so ewo ho eno ni nduro ho ye de ma na de ye echo DNA no eno na ono de ontigai
baby o wura no but ye hope say e beto brebi
oh yes eno ntina anopai enkomobo we koso
oh okay e betimi awuram
sure ye awuram kra ma ye nya
ye dey healthy so alternative
exactly I'm telling you right
okay no odaro maboa ye na kire ye kwan ye befa so
right
because yes ye no betena afebo ti kwa be na healthy so e betimi aboa ye say kwa ye ntu no kra otumu say ye brennas baby o hye no be bafo
so about healthy so ye management ye focus enema ennan a edi akotene pa ewo ye nipadua mu the kind ye nervous system nervous system ebeka say the powerhouse entini a ema electrical energies ne ahoden ekoso o ye nipadua mu na the entire ye focus on the nervous system no one of the greatest cranial nerve your friend the vagus nerve vagus nerve no ono or starting with the brain stem na wa power o liver wa power o heart your power o intestines na wa power o lungs so vagus that is why obi eyam shina anase ote asembia akometu a bonsana na yem aka no have you asked yourself that yes so we call it the gut-brain axis. So the gut-brain axis, no. So here in Healthy Soul Medical Center, we focus on the nervous system, which is the vagus nerve. Then we come to your gut. We yam enyoma, we yefnumu, we intestines, we brebo titiru because a hona or how no ewo. Then we focus on the immunity. In the public brain, on immune system, overreactive, and I say a form.
Okay.
People don't talk about the overreactive of the immune system. When your immune system is overreactive, it also sends a bad signal to your liver. Okay. That is why people can get autoimmune hepatitis B.
Autoimmune.
Exactly. Yes. Autoimmune because on one brebo no say a enemy now I start to fight against it now bonse create a virus no. Now, after focusing on your immunity, that is balancing it, yeah, man, you're overreactive, yeah, man, you're underreactive. So it's balanced. So from the balance, then we move on to your hormones. Liver produce one of the best hormones. I've been monitoring you over the years, and then your guests sometimes they talk about the hormones that the liver produces. Liver does about 800 functions. Okay. And then it's, yes. And your baby or untimi moon in say baby or develop PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome. Sankofoni na obeshe na bonso hepatitis B, obeshe na bonso hormonal imbalance. Until you focus on the hormones, no. Then finally we target your viral status. Because virus medical can say ono obora nucleus nimu. Se me ba ufi na me pese me beku na me pese bia me ye na aggressively me no ba betena na me sua niema wo ye nyina be bon se na fi me yi we fi sa but na me say yen ro no ye wo ana say dwumedi a ye die no we focus on nutrition, multivitamin, immune balance, and then antioxidants. Then the last thing is the antiviral properties in our medication, and it's all plant-based. Okay. So the uniqueness I do know no more. A catcher or immune system and say, say Sadi we ono onye immune system ni bi. So wo hwa soldier for and say all the security system no. Wo hia soldier ni na obi a onye soldier ni o hye soldier atade a. On say the way soldier no be hu say we onye soldier ni.
Yeah. Obehu.
But ye ni a ye civilians say no. Onya hye.
Ahye ye hu ne so oye bia.
Exactly. But soldier ni pa ya training no a wakọ ontitiem no hu say we hye atade na and as a police in the crowd, sir, Obakasa we.
Sir, dog young better no be a who say virus no. When you be.
Right. So,
yeah, fight or number 2.
You need signs and symptoms. Hepatitis B on Shada Mawo.
And Kaye
be many cophobia share with the treatment. I may people have tested negative surface antigens near Dina. Obio house doctor. Na minimum me coordinated brad. Obisa me re ko ye no operation ye see me ntwi moja me ba ye wo me ba o ye yare for sebi ye see e boba akra ni moja ye be hwehwem ye see me ntumi adan a ye see me hepatitis B. Hepatitis B viral infections and signs and symptoms bia. Na mum utna hwa na eche na suppress immune system a your skin one of the organ it produce immunity to bones afi ho start e kekao obrebo ebe start say ebe hardened. That is where the liver damages and then cirrhosis comes from. So yes, I feel it be fatty, then jaundice, and I feel that. But these are the complications. But ensure that early signs, no, and any signs.
No, my number no, there will be a wotie one should be to me afraid for further explanation.
But that's Healthy Soul Medical Center. Your Kaneshi, baby, for buses, no, a Lodi Univa, and I Cape Coast, no. Hona udu ho abon ye somebody kese abrosan kese a ewo ho ye adwuma Monday to Friday. Saturday ye pon 2 o'clock e start an upper 8 na ye pon 2 o'clock, but Monday to Friday ne ye pon 5 p.m. Me contact ye start 8 na ye pon 5 p.m. Me ankasa me number 0243 768 216 0243 768 216. Yes, my gut enye clean, balance immunity, hormones enye adwuma ye, wo vagus nerves calm down. Sister, I like the way sometimes you are in the morning who try say obama bibia ye boko eyedro kese just calm your nervous system, let your vagus nervous system calm down. Obo say ye de edro kakra bi calm your multivitamins, your antioxidants, ye de mawa and kofu bebre attest surface antigens negative. Every person ye the results ni na ba betre. Ye
da Dr. Usuansa as papa pamrani adajo de achechiri mu mesro enya biansa wenya bi nso ehu ni ho suro bia ni ho na che say watimi ne dog kasa na watimi